I think yung reaction ni Ida says it all. Mahalat? Guys, yung Christmas tree. Pa-reverse. Nawala yung stand.
Alam mo, hindi ko get yung stand. Ayoko na.
We're in line for the photo. Yeah. Grabe yung ulan.
Very visible. Lalo na mamaya siguro pag out. Dami ng tao.
Hindi yan. On
Yeah.
time lang yan.
2:30. 2:30 pa? 30 minutes.
Kaya yan?
It's worth the wait, guys. It's never late.
Ang gaya.
Nakapag-freshen up.
Ng bag.
Kaya nga. Pwede siya ano.
Dual purpose.
Yeah. Matcha everyday. Itlog. Oh, yeah. Hello, love, goodbye. We're
Okay, bye guys. Kakatapos ko lang sa org. They're so nice. We have free food. Coffee, matcha ng mood ko.
This shit is good. This shit is good. Wala na akong balik ha. Wala na akong balik.
We're vlogging. You wanna say hi? Pero it hasn't same bitter vibe.
Na mag-matcha tayo. Okay ba?
Napakalit yung... Yeah. You. Concept.
God is an antidote. Okay?
part of our... Wait!
Bye, guys!
Bye! See you tomorrow!
On the way home. Hi guys, good morning. I'm currently here sa library namin. And I'm just chilling kasi we only have online class today and one face-to-face later. So I'm just chilling here. My view is the football field and the swimming pool. I'm currently just waiting for Jules to arrive kasi malapit na daw siya. So we're gonna spend our online class here. It's so cool kasi kanina hindi pa open yung escalators going up. So I was one of the first to go here. And first time ko rin sa 8th floor guys kasi usually I just stay sa 7. And meron palang mga ganito dito. It's a lot more cozy and exclusive I guess for online classes. So yun, sobrang cozy. And also I'm using my earphones as my mic kasi the black one that I normally use broke. So yun, wala na akong mic na totoo. I only have this one, which is so sad, but it's okay. Hindi ko na alam mo na sasabihin ko, but wait, I'll vlog Jules. Hi guys, we're in BGC. Namimiss ko na yung birthday ko. Dito ako nag-birthday. In fairness, cozy ng birthday ko. Super. So yun guys, we're here para uminom ng kape at kumain. Okay, let's go. Let's go guys. We're on our way to Zara. Saturday nga nyo, ba't parang wala masyadong po? Or baka mamaya pa ano pala? Zara time. Do kinakaya ko na ngayon. Face mask. Okay na. Kaya. Na? Gusto mo?
Just the way I like it.
Ang lala.
Ayaw na commercialize na match. Ako naman, ayaw ko yung kumamit natin. Magkano?
Hi guys, we're done with Elephant Grounds ba yun? After 48 hours. So mag-walking na lang kami ni Molly. On our way to window shop. Or not. What is this? Gamitin na may sky color pink. Perfect lang ng condition. Hindi siya umuulan. Look at this top. It's so cozy here. Done for the day. Uwi na kami, guys. Ngayon na lang ulit kami nakapunta ni Mother sa BGC. As in, after a very long time. Nakakamiss rin kasi dito rin ako nag-birthday. So, nakakamiss yung vibe niya. Though, hindi pa ako nag-vlog nun. Time to go home, guys. It's already 7:40. Guys, ito yung wallet. Yeah, I've been wanting a brown wallet.